Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Brett update today. And the private is opened up. If you want to know what the private is, check the top right of the video to understand what it is. And if you want to join Discord, comment Discord on the comment section and they'll give you an invitation link, generate a new invitation link for you. Now let's get into Brett and what is going on in here, because this pump, man, this was huge. This was really huge. That was crazy, man. This was like 54% within a day. So that's actually pretty huge. Now I think that a lot of people had their short position. I'm going to tell you what's going on in here. So I'm going to just remove some of the drawings here and let's get back into it. So number one, it's true that you do have a descending triangle, and the descending triangle actually had a technical target down to 5635, and you nearly met the target. Or let's just say this is actually a target being met. No complaints here. You can actually say yes, the target was met. A little bit of a gap is not a very big deal. Like there was a very small tiny gap right over here. This little bit of a gap, you couldn't touch the whole target, but that's okay. That still can count as technical target met. Now when it came back up, we saw a retest, and this retest was where a lot of people wanted to get the short position because of how the support of the descending triangle turned into resistance and you shorted the resistance. So yes, for some time you got a little bit of a profit. You had almost like a head and shoulders going on here, came down, technical target met. So I think some of the traders actually did get successful, 27%, but they could not take their profits out. All right, they kept their short position opened up. Maybe they kept on building the short position, and then all the stop losses here and here were just taken away with one wick. And that's why it's really scary when you trade in futures. Now you see, this is like if you were in a futures trading right now, that's it, liquidation, you're done, right? Just like that. Maybe you're trading with $1,000, that's gone, it's finished. And what's left, man? Sadness. Well, what can we say? Now the question is, can we still continue to go back in? Now that's where it's a little bit tricky now, because I need to see Brett probably making it up again and breaking above let's say the technical target of I would actually say the best place to see or to expect a move up is 0.13 could actually be the best place. This point here is going to really break the whole downtrend. Number one, you will break this resistance. Number two, you will invalidate the whole pattern right there. Okay, otherwise there still could be chances we see a small little bit of a push down, but right now we don't really have a clear direction. To have a really clear direction right now, you're just in the middle of nowhere. Okay, you don't know if you really want to go and push above or just continue to drop again. That's the honest truth. But we just need to see the prices coming up again, probably here retest the trend line, and then we can say it's safe to go back up. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.